We are Olson Custom Designs. We were built on a winning tradition. A company providing cutting-edge manufacturing services ranging from precision machining and fabrication to quality assurance backed by an elite team of engineers. A company with an advanced facility, providing the best solution to your most complex manufacturing projects. Servicing a multitude of industries, Olson Custom Designs has the quality solution for you.